What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of customizing the Debutify theme on Shopify. Perfect for beginners looking to create a professional online store. The Debutify theme provides an intuitive interface and various customization options that allows you to build a unique shopping experience without needing coding skills. First, visit the Shopify website. Type shopify.com, log into your account or Shopify account. If you don't have an account, create a new one by clicking Start Free Trial. After that, it's up to you which account you want to use to create Shopify, like Facebook, Google, or an Apple account. As you can see, mine is already created. After logging into your Shopify account, go to the Online Store tab. While we are in the Online Store tab, make sure that you are in the Themes tab because mine is already on it. If not, click the Themes tab. While we are in the Themes tab, click the View Your Store button on the upper right of the website screen to open a new tab and to view your store. While you are in the Store tab, copy the URL of your store. After that, go to the Debutify website, type debutify.com. While we are on the website, click on the Try Free Trial button to start the process. While starting a free trial, log into your account. If you don't have an account, create a new one by clicking Register or clicking Continue with Google or Facebook for a fast process and creating an account. As you can see, mine is already created. Since we're here to install the Debutify theme on Shopify, click Start for free in the Debutify theme section. After that, click Integrate in the Shopify section. Now just enter your URL from the site you created on Shopify. It will need to be verified first before getting to the next step. After verifying your URL, set up your theme. It's up to you on how you set up your own theme for your URL. As you can see, mine is already created where it says in the Debutify section, Open. You have successfully customized your Shopify store using the Debutify theme. Key steps include setting up your account, installing the theme, customizing layout and sections, and optimizing for mobile, adding products, and finalizing your store settings. There you go! If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.